Ever start a project and lose track of screws? It's frustrating, right? You're in the middle of something and bam, screw gone. You search high and low, wasting precious time. We've all been there. It's enough to make you want to tear your hair out. But what if I told you there's a solution? A simple, effective solution that keeps your screws, nails, and even drill bits right where you need them. Introducing the Magnetic Wristband. This innovative tool is designed to make your life easier, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or just someone who loves to tinker around the house. This handy tool is a game changer for DIYers and professionals alike. Imagine having all your small metal fasteners, screws, and nails right at your fingertips, without having to fumble through your pockets or toolbox. This isn't your average wristband. Unlike other wristbands that might just be for show, the Magnetic Wristband is built for functionality and convenience. This bad boy is packed with powerful magnets that hold onto your small metal fasteners. No more losing screws or nails in the middle of a project. No more digging through pockets or dropping screws. With the Magnetic Wristband, everything you need is securely attached to your wrist. Everything is right there on your wrist, within easy reach. This means you can work more efficiently and with less frustration. It's like having a third hand, freeing you to focus on the task at hand. You can use both hands to work on your project without having to worry about where you put that last screw. Plus, it's super comfortable to wear. The adjustable strap ensures a perfect fit for any wrist size, and the breathable material means you can wear it all day without discomfort. You'll forget it's even there. The lightweight design ensures that it won't weigh you down, allowing you to work freely and efficiently. Except of course when you're amazed by how much easier it makes your life. The Magnetic Wristband is not just a tool, it's a game changer that will revolutionize the way you work on your projects. We've crafted this wristband from durable ballistic nylon, a material known for its incredible strength and resilience. This isn't just any ordinary wristband, it's designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're working on a DIY project at home, or tackling a demanding task at a construction site, this wristband is built to last. It's tear-resistant, water-resistant, and ready for action. No matter the environment, this wristband can handle it all. From dusty workshops to wet conditions, it remains reliable. The adjustable Velcro strap ensures a snug and comfortable fit on any wrist size. You can easily adjust it to your preference, making it perfect for everyone. No more slipping or sliding. The wristband stays securely in place, allowing you to focus on your work without any distractions. And did I mention the magnets? These aren't just any magnets, they're powerful and strategically placed. They're strategically embedded for maximum holding power. You can trust them to keep your screws, nails, and other small tools right where you need them. You won't believe how many screws this thing can handle. It's like having an extra set of hands. From small DIY projects to heavy-duty construction, this wristband is versatile and indispensable. The Magnetic Wristband is your ultimate tool companion. It's designed to make your work easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Don't just take my word for it. The Magnetic Wristband has been a game changer for so many people across different fields. Whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or a mechanic, this tool has proven to be indispensable. Here's what others are saying about their experience with the Magnetic Wristband. This wristband is a lifesaver. I used to spend so much time looking for screws and nails, but now everything I need is right on my wrist. Emily, home renovator. No more lost screws on the job site. It's incredibly efficient and saves me a lot of hassle. Mike, construction worker. It's a must-have for any contractor. I can't imagine going back to the old way of working. John, contractor. I love how convenient this wristband is. It keeps all my small tools and screws within reach, making my projects smoother and faster. Lisa, DIY enthusiast. It makes my DIY projects so much easier and faster. I don't have to worry about losing small parts anymore. Sarah, DIY enthusiast. The Magnetic Wristband is a game changer. It holds all my screws and bolts securely, so I can focus on my work without interruptions. Alex, mechanic. I can't imagine working without it now. It's become an essential part of my toolkit. David, mechanic. Ready to experience the difference? The Magnetic Wristband is designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. Order your Magnetic Wristband today and say goodbye to lost screws forever. Don't miss out on this revolutionary tool that professionals and hobbyists alike are raving about.